Novium Hoverpen 2.0, futuristic luxury pen made with aerospace alloys, unique aesthetic, free spinning executive pen, cool gadgets, birthday gifts for men and women, space black, basic the coolest eye-catching centerpiece, cosmic inspired and engineered. The Atomic Bay Defender Pen, Ballpoint EDC pens for tactical gear with glass breaker, pen for police, military, EMT. New the Defender Pen, sturdy ballpoint pen plus self-defense weapon and glass breaker plus touch screen stylus tough as nails. MTP6 Tactical Pen, military-inspired multitool pen, pen for women and men's safety, tactical gear and EDC- glass breaker plus LED flashlight plus ballpoint pen plus bottle opener, 3 ink refills plus 12 batteries. Always prepared, the MTP6 combines a multi-mode LED flashlight, a premium glass tungsten carbide breaker, a multi-tool and a ballpoint pen. Bonus, 3 black ink cartridges, 4 sets of batteries, online self-defense class and limited lifetime warranty. Engineered to defy gravity, Hoverpen 2.0 is the world's first pen hovering at an angle. It's perfectly balanced at 23.5 degrees, impossible to ignore, which makes it the best conversational starter on your desk. Aircraft-grade aluminium body, hard tungsten glass breaker tip and durable mesh stylus, easier to carry, shorter than most tactical pens, cap unscrews and clicks on back, sturdy clips make it a great EDC pen.